A lot of you lovely ladies are left confused when the man in your life leaves. When they leave you high and dry, when everything was going well, all of a sudden they've left. And then you're even more confused when they come back. You're wondering, what's going on here? Rest assured, in today's video, your girl did a bit of research and I'm bringing you 5 reasons why they leave and the ultimate reason why they come back. So if you're excited for this video as I am, then stay tuned. Number 1, a man will never leave a woman that he loves. He will only leave you if he was using you all along and basically has no use of you anymore. Sad to say. If he tells you that he's leaving to go and work on himself, draw closer to God, or whatever excuse that he draws from the excuse bag, do not believe him. Do you know what that really means? They need the time away to basically weigh out their options without really having to answer to you, having you breathing down their neck. And in a nutshell, they just want the time and the freedom to look around to see if in actual fact they want you and if they want to commit to you anyway. Any man should be working on himself in the relationship every single day, as the woman as well. So for them to give you that excuse that they're going away to go better themselves and then blah 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 is a lie, okay? Don't listen to them. The second one is they leave because they do not want you anymore. As sad as it sounds, they just do not want you anymore. Whatever he thought he was gonna get from you, or whatever feeling or emotion they thought they would get whilst they're with you, has basically run dry. So right now they have no use of you. Therefore, they do not want you anymore. So they end up leaving. Yeah. The third thing is some men leave out of their own insecurities. So they think and believe deep down that you're too good for them, so they're no good for you. So the weight of their insecurities drives them to leave you. If not abuse, then leave you. Yeah. And the thing is, many of these guys do not have the will and the tenacity to really work on themselves and grow and better themselves for that relationship. So basically the demands is just too much for them to invest in. Basically, you are not worth it. So they will leave. The fourth reason why men will leave you is because you were never their first choice. Okay? Maybe somewhere down the horizon, over the hill, they've noticed that their first choice is now available. So they have to go and explore the options before they come and commit to you, who has made it readily available to basically commit to you. Okay? He hasn't had to chase you. So he's with you out of convenience. So now it's a bit inconvenient, so he needs to go and explore the actual person who was his first choice before he comes back to you if the grass was not going to be greener. That was a mouthful. I've seen a quote that says, men don't marry the woman that they love, they marry the woman who is around when they're ready to get married. Whether that's true or not, I'll leave you men to answer that. And the fifth one, not the least by all means, is they thought they were the prize. This is a feminine man that you have on your hands, and all of a sudden you're this woman that has found your self-worth and you are starting to demand more. You know, you have standards and expectations, and quite frankly, they're not ready to live up to that. They want to be catered to, as in the prize. So role reversal at its best. And basically they don't want that, so they need to go for a cheaper or easier option that is out there. Okay, so those are the 5. If you're a guy and you've left for any of these reasons, let me know down below. And if you're a guy and you've left a girl but for none of these reasons, I would love to know. Okay, let's educate each other here. Okay, Yeah. So, on to the reason why they come back. Okay, why do they come back? The main reason why some men will come back is because, are you ready? Men do not heal. I said it. When I did my research, that was the #1 reason why they come back. Because they didn't heal when they left you, for all those reasons I spoke about and the ones that people would jot down in the comment section. After they've left you, they haven't healed, so the chances are they will come back to you for some of the reasons I'm about to say now. Most of these men will occupy their time and themselves with business conferences and anything that will bring them money, but not a book to learn on how to be a high quality man in that relationship or a high quality husband. So they will leave. And between the time that they leave, that they've left you, they can go sleeping around or whatever. But then when that starts to get boring, they want to come back and see if, quite frankly, you're still standing where they left you. When I say that, what I mean is maybe they left you high and dry and drained and confused and bitter and resentful. When they look back, they want to see that same person there, because that means that they can still have the same opportunity to come and dump their bullcrap back into your life. Most men know where to get the help to be better, but most of these men do not seek growth. It's too uncomfortable for them. So they'd rather seek mediocre things. So you are this mediocre person because you enable and you empower this toxicity that they're bringing into your life because you accept it. And most of the times they don't see the importance of investing in themselves or growing. Why? Because most of the women out here, I've been there before, okay? We enable and we reinforce the lack of development on their part, okay? It's like we embrace it because why? We are helpers, we are fixers, we are Barbara the Builders. That's what we are. Men will come back because they know they can. So it's up to you to let them know that they can't anymore. Okay? Close that door, woman. Men are not going to focus on healing because brokenness warrants a whole load of benefits. It comes with its perks. And one of that is you. Okay? They have that access to you and they love it, and that's why they keep coming back for more. Don't ever be flattered that they're coming back because they finally know how great you are, okay? Don't let your guard down. Even if they have changed and they're coming back, still do the vetting and all of that jazz, okay? Don't let your guard down because clearly there was a reason why they left. And there's a reason why they came back. So don't give in so easily, okay? Maybe the chase is the reason why they came back. One of the reasons. Having access to you comes with its perks, as I just said, because all of a sudden they can be the victim, the damsel in distress that they are, and obviously you are Barbara the Builder and you're ready to save the day. As long as a man's physical and financial needs are met, they will see no reason whatsoever to invest in themselves and invest in that relationship, as in you or in that family they're about to create. The second a woman gives a man her body, that's his physical needs met, and then woe unto the same woman who also gives him financial aid, pocket money. Financial and physical needs are met. There is no reason why this person will magically want to focus on his growth, his healing and betterment for that relationship and for you, okay? Don't be too flattered too quickly. The grass was probably not that green. But when they looked back, you were still there, standing still where they left you. So they thought, let me come back and pick up where I left off. Because this woman hasn't moved, hasn't found her self-worth, so why not go and add more bullcrap to her life? Okay? That's why they're coming back. Move on to start something new. Start something new in yourself. Invest in yourself, in your self-worth, in your self-growth. Grow your mind. Watch videos like this and get better so that you can attract a high-value man rather than the low-value one that just left you and is trying to come back. Do not reinforce a behavior that you do not want, okay? Open your mouth and say you don't want it. Let them know they can't just come in and out of your life just like that. Ladies, a man has to be ready for you in order to commit to you. They have to get there themselves. This isn't a job for you to do. Okay, I'm wrapping up here. I'm wrapping up, so please stay with me. You can be the most beautiful woman, smartest, intelligent, and all of the compliments and flattery they dumped on you, but they will still leave you and allow themselves to lose you. Why? Because they were never ready for all of those things. I have seen a lot of women with the mentality that they're gonna love them so hard for them to change, or even worse, they're gonna love them and show them that they are gonna be the ones to change them, but they are left disappointed, bitter, resentful, and that's just to name a few of those things that they feel. As a woman, you tend to hope and pray that finally the curtains will fall and they'll see this amazing person that's standing in front of them and value you and uphold you and put you on that pedestal. However, that day never comes. Sometimes it takes losing you for them to come to that realization, and sometimes, actually, most of the time when they come back, you are far gone. That's where you want to be, woman. You want to be far gone in your self-growth and your self-worth, okay? So that when they come back, you're nowhere to be found. Again, if he's a good guy and he's changed and he wants to come back into your life, in my head, they shouldn't have left you in the first place. But again, the world is not black and white. You can make that decision for yourself, but do not let your guard down. Do your vetting, and then if you're going to take them back, make sure you're holding them accountable and holding them on a different standard, not the standard that was in place before they left. And if you are a man, if you're looking to leave someone for any of those reasons or any of those down below, just because you want to go and then come back whenever you feel like it, maybe sort yourself out, sort your life out. In that relationship, be open and honest with the lady that you're with, so it doesn't take you to lose her in order for you to gain her or lose her for good. Hopefully that's making sense. Yeah, so is it really true, men? Is it really true? Are these some of the reasons why you leave? And are these some of the reasons why you come back? Let us know down in the comment section and let's educate each other. But anyway, that was a long video. That's the reason why most of these men leave and come back. Let me know your thoughts. Is this really true? When I did my research, this is what I found. But yeah, until next time, take care and God bless. Bye-bye.